How to fix Venmo account locked. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. So in order to fix your Venmo account that has been locked, what you want to do is, first of all, you could just open up your browser and go to venmo.com/recover. And when you press open this link, this is going to take you to the next field. So what you want to do is, you could use a debit card for a faster resolution. Often instant, and a bank transfer can take up to 5 business days to clear as well. Now here you just want to make sure to follow the prompt in order to complete your steps, and this way you should be able to fix. However, in some cases you might have received email or a notification saying that your account will be locked for a certain period of time. It can indicate a time period as well. So within that time limitation, you'll not be able to unlock your account, or you'll not be able to fix your Venmo. So this way you're supposed to fix your Venmo account locked. And with that, we've completed the steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.